Hello everybody, how you doing today? Got a couple crossing gates to clean up, assemble, and repair. I believe, yeah, both of these are broken off. So we'll have to get that repaired and install the little crossing gates. So yeah, let's get started. Tap a little bit more super glue. Bit of the old super glue to reinstall those poles. Should do the trick. Alright. Glue's had overnight to dry. I think I'll add a little bit of gray paint down here to match it up a little bit better. And we'll be ready to go put it on the track. Alright, we got them reassembled. Operating. Glued the poles back in place. Add a little bit of paint to the base of it to cover up any glue that might be there. So let's go put them on the track and see how they look. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.